Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com here for NTMarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, 15-minute chart of the ES, and I sent out a chart a little earlier, posted up on the website, sent it out on Twitter at Princeton Trader, just kind of laying out this scenario. Look, here's the thing. And for those of you who didn't catch my video last night, what we saw yesterday is we saw the highs right off the open. It chopped in the resistance zone, then it broke back through, tested it as support, failed at 65, went back down to our initial target. We had an initial short target down at 53.5. Then we really chopped around 50, broke back up to 56, and it couldn't hold. That's when it broke hard. That's when the 48 broke down to 42 here. So on a longer time scale, we've got matching lows here, here, and back here a little bit off the screen, which makes the 41-42 area very, very important to say the least. What is particularly concerning to me in the overnight, and it should concern you if you are a bull, we are seeing former support at 48 become resistance. If that holds true into the regular session, then we should see a break of 42 and some expansion to the downside. I was pointing out to my subscribers last night here on the daily chart that we are seeing the Bollinger Bandwidth indicator flatten out, and we are starting to see the bands begin to slightly expand. If that expansion continues and coincides with a break of 42, then you should start to see potentially downward expansion. Now, before we get ahead of ourselves, we're talking about the bears here. We're talking about the bears executing on a pattern, and we're talking about the bears executing in general, which has not been a very winning proposition over the last 18, 24, you could argue the last 48 months. So, control your size, control your risk, and understand that if we overshoot 41 and we get price rejection, chances are the bears are going to head back, they're going to head for the hills, they're going to run for cover, and the bulls are going to take this thing right back up. So if you want to be short on these failures, it's a technical setup. It's a very nice technical setup, but just be wary that you're betting on a team that is really, really, really bad historically. And any sign of trouble, and they tend to head for the hills. If they do execute here, my targets on the downside would be as follows: 36, 28, and then the Russia lows from a couple Sundays ago down at 18.23. And if we do that, then we'll reassess and see where we are there. So everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Have some more charts today. We'll be tweeting throughout the day. Come check out the website. Come check out the chat room. Come trade this stuff with us. Come trade these moves. Come trade them, because we're trading them before there's only so much I can get out to you on Twitter. So I really hope you'll come check out the chat room and see if we can help you out. Okay, everybody have a great day. I'll be out tonight with an evening webcast and tomorrow morning with another pre-market webcast. Trading well, everybody.